Hey my friends, I got a special sale for you this week. Our leaves and hojas are booming. Back here is our kale section. I've got kale, Swiss chard, mustard greens, and collard greens. Normally you pick up a pound or more of those, and we're packing extra large because we've got so much, just to bless you with them. Normally $2.50 for a pound. That's the normal price in Panama. We have a special sale 1 week only, $1.50 for the kale, the Swiss chard, the mustard greens, and the collard greens. This is a chance for you to try them out if you never have before, or load up at a great price. You know, you can freeze this stuff if you like to put it in your health shakes. I'm also sending you a recipe from famous Chris Young, chef extraordinaire in Boquete, one of his favorite kale recipes. You're not going to want to miss this. Pick up some kale, try out this Boulder 54 recipe, and watch what your family does when they take the first bite. I hope you enjoy the kale, the Swiss chard, the mustard greens, and the collard greens this week. 1 week only, normally $2.50 per head or handful, and right now $1.50. Enjoy.